Alright, what I did, I took this part here, took a little needle, and this is the insulation, and I pulled it out. And there's the, let's see, there's the broken wire in there. Y'all can see it right there. Now, I'm telling you the truth, I believe there is a way for me to take this part off, and I can push this part out, solder it on, and push it back in. So I'm gonna push this part. Hopefully I can do this quickly. You know, sometimes after you walk away from it, you get mad, you come back, and then it might be easier. So I'm gonna see if I can somehow do this thing here. I know you should be able to pull this out. See, should that come out some? It's gotta be able to come off somewhere. Yeah. Okay, the face is coming out. Wow, okay. I got that off. Now, I want to make sure I put the face on the right side. So I'm going to mark this. Put a mark there. Mark on this side. It lets me know to put this way and not this way, not that way, because it might be a difference. So I put it this way. Okay, set it there. Now you see how that, if that wire had not broken, if it had not broken, you've been thinking that it's the solenoid. You know, you think it's a solenoid. And if a person, here's the situation, if that wire had not broken and it was just barely touching, if a person had back probed and went inside here, well, you would have seen the solenoid was reading. You would have. Yeah, you would have. So if you saw a solenoid reading, you probably would have had to go back here, see if it's reading, you know, and then do a wiggle test, and it would have been somewhere in between here. All right, so that's probably what it would have had to do. But let me see, this is here, this would be this one. Let's see if I can push this out somewhere. Somehow. All right, I'm gonna have to get a smaller pen. I think I can get that out. You go get a smaller pen. This transmission has 200-some thousand miles on it. It may have a bad transmission too after this is fixed. You already know I always run into all type of stuff. Let me see what we got here. Darn, I can't even find. There's some clip in there holding that. Let me see. Oh no, it's way down there or what? I see that moving. Let's see. Ha! Was that it? No. Oh, wait a minute. Can't push that out. I have no idea if I can get this pin out. Oh. Oh, I think that's it. Let's see. pull that back, push that up. Got it. Woo. Got it. Here it comes. Gotta make sure this goes in the way it came. Aha. I got it. So, here's the part that's broken. There's the part that's broken right there. So I gotta make sure this goes in the same way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this up here and re-solder this and stick it right back down. So I'm about to do that. Open this up and re-stick it down. So I got out. All right. Here's the piece that I took loose, and I took some wire and opened the metal part up a bit, put the wire in and soldered it together. Whoa. So what I'm gonna do is put some shrink tubing on there. Where it'll be something like this. And then I'm gonna stick it back down in there. See if we get that to work. All right, let's see what we got here. So there it goes. I have a little shrink tube here. I could have went further up, but I didn't want to because I'm not so sure it's going to interfere. So here's the other end. I'm going to solder the other end onto here, or butt connector it or something. It's kind of tight getting up here, whatever, but it's going to be on there. So I'm going to have to put this back down and see what direction it goes. See what direction this goes. All right, where are you? Everything looked to be going that way. That way. So they hook onto there. Man, I ain't going. Did I get it? Let's see. Looked like I did. Oh, I heard it click. That means it went. Got it. So now I got this sticking out. This is sticking out. See if y'all can see that there. I'm gonna put something around here for a seal. Could probably use some glue. Put it around there on the outside. But next I gotta solder this to this wire here, and then we'll test it. So you see the drill now. You see what happened. So now I got this pretty well ready to go. Once I do my test, I'll see to get its connection. In fact, I can do that now. Let me try it now. Let me. What? No. Alright, I got this in and I have this twisted. So now I'm going to go back to this computer, see if I'm getting a reading. See if I'm getting a reading. Yep, there it goes. See that? 1.7. So I'm getting a reading now. And let me see what happened if I unplug this. I'm going to move this out the way. It's gone. See, I just moved it out the way. Touch it again. Touch it. Here it is. I got it held together, got it apart. 0 held together. Alright, so that's going to take care of that circuit. Right now I'm tied into the computer circuit right there. So I'm tied into the underdrive, or the 2-4 solenoid right there. So now I know that's going to fix the problem. Now, time to do some soldering and shrink tubing, and then if the transmission is good, other than that, then it'll be ready to go. If not, then transmission time too. So I always have double trouble. Alright, I went on and shrink tube it, and I crimped it. Use a butt connector, a weather tight one on this, and I took some glue and stuck it in here so I can have some type of protection from something going inside there. So there's the fix right there. Right there. Now to put this computer back together, and that's it. That is it. Put this computer, put all this stuff back. I don't have to change the solenoid after all. Putting these connectors back to the computer. But if you remember, these things were broken here, and I told you they have to come off. So how do you get it back on when the tabs are broken? Okay, what I did was just, when they were apart, put a little super glue around the edges, all 4 corners, and then I held it together very tightly until the super glue cured. It didn't take that long, of course. And now you have this back together. You don't want to put too much where it runs all the way down into the connectors and stuff. You're just putting a dab on each corner to put it back together. Okay, and you wrap this back up, put it back in, and then you tighten it. So this computer is back together. Now I got to put all this other stuff together, and I'll be finished with this vehicle.